Yeah, good morning, everyone. You are all welcome to the continuation of Runge-Kutta Fourth order approximation. This morning, like in our first video, I was trying to explain how we got H. This is how H was gotten. As you can see here, H is equals to x subscript n plus 1 minus x subscript n all over n. Since there is no any other specification of iteration or approximation, we now say n equals to the what? 2. So h is equals to, since our n yeah, 2, but we assume n to be what? 0. So our here will be 0 plus 1 minus x naught. So you can see h is equals to x1 minus x naught all over 2. So what is our x1 is given as 0.2, then x naught is 0. So this implies that h is equals to 0.2 minus 0 all over 2. This is h is equals to what? 0.2 all over 2. As you can see, 0.2 all over 2 will give us 0.1. This is how we obtain our h. Then now here our f of x, the function, is equals to what? 1 after substitution. So now let us go ahead to consider our k1. How can we obtain our k1? That is what we want to look at now, this moment. Is that clear? So can I clean this? Let me clean here. How can we obtain our k1? Is simple as ABC. Is that clear? Okay. Is sorry for the break in transmission. Is simple as ABC. Our K1, look at it. Our K1 is let me have it here. Our K1 is equals to HF of x n subscript n minus n subscript y subscript n. Amen. Okay, so now look at it here. Look at it here. Now, how can we obtain this? We know very well that your coordinate system is always x, what? Y. True of us. So it means this is talking about x, this is talking about what? Y. Talking about two coordinate system. Amen. True of us. The function here we have x plus y squared. True of us. So now any answer value you get, it represents this x. Then any value you get, it represents the y. Then look at the operation in between them. X plus, what is here? Is plus. True of us. So now our h is given as what? 0.1 f of what is our x naught? Because when n equals to x naught is 0, x naught is 0, then y naught is 1. Can you see now? Are you following? So it means our k1 will now be equals to 0. Open bracket. The function here is what? You now recall the function here as x plus what? Y squared. Then from here, you know that our x as coordinate from here is 0, right? But mind you, our h here is what? 0.1, open brackets, 0. Then what do you have here? Plus, plus y squared, isn't it? Then y here is what? 1. Please take note. 1 all is squared. I'm just breaking it down for the sake of malians. Amen. You know, sometimes after taking series of weed, you find it difficult to understand mathematics. So let me just break it in this form so that Malians too will be carried along. Amen. Amen. Okay. So as you can see now, so here what we need to do here is our cable now equals 0.1 open bracket 0 plus 1 square is the same as 1. True or false? I'm just teaching you how to break this thing down, then you will understand it better. So this is equals to 0.1, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1, sorry, is what? 1. True or false? So 0.1 times 1, we are going to have 0.1. So it means our cable is equals to 0.1. True or false? Any question, please ask. Do you have any question? Yeah. Jack. Good morning. Where are you watching from? Which country? Which country are you watching from? You are welcome. It's okay. So let's proceed to consider our K2. K2 is we are going to do the same thing here. The same thing here. Can I clean here? Yeah. So K2, to consider our K2 here, it means our K2 is equals to HF plus XN plus H all over 2, comma YN plus H all over 2. Do you understand? But always look at it in this form. This form, this is how it is. X plus Y squared. Always look at it in this form so that you won't be confused. Amen? Amen. Okay. So now, let's look at it together. Amen? Yeah. So it means, just like as I said, the coordinate here is X. So this, any value you are going to get here is X. Then any value you are going to get here is what? Y. So what you need to do is, any value here, you write the value. If it is 2, you write 2. The operation here is what? Plus. Then if it is 3 here, mind you, y is raised to power 2. So take note of that. Is that clear? So let us go ahead and do the arithmetic. So if you can see what I am saying, our K2 will now be equal to our H is 0.1 F open bracket X naught here, since N is equal to, so it is X naught is 0 plus H is what? 0.1 all over 2, comma Y naught is what? 1 plus H is 0.1 all over 2. Amen? I do this arithmetic. 0.1 all over 2 will give you what? Do it. I want you to do it. I want you to do it. That will give you what? 0.05, right? 0.05, right? So here our K2 is equals to 0.1 and 0. Here we're going to give you 0.05, comma here 1 plus 0.05. True or false? It's true, right? So by the time we have this, we are going to have our K2 is equal to 0.1 times 0 plus 0.05 is 0.05, then plus Okay, sorry, let's just put comma 1 plus 0.05. We are going to have what? We have 1.05. Two of us. Look at the board very well. Add it and give us the answer. I'm waiting. So here you are going to have 1.05, right? So as you can see now, look up. I want you to look up. Let me do it here. I want you to, I can click this right. As you can see now, we are able to obtain, okay, we've not gotten it. We use this to multiply this, then use this to multiply this. That will be our what? Or we can still do it this way. Our K2 is equals to 0.1 open bracket. Our x is 0.1. X plus y squared, which is equals to 0.1 open bracket. Our x here is 0.05, right? 0.05. Then what do we have here? Plus our y here, this is our y, true of us, is 1.05 all in square because y is square. So any answer, that is what you are going to get. So you do the arithmetic, then tell us the answer. After doing that arithmetic, I think we are going to have 0.11525. 0.11252. Think so? Yeah. So this is what 525. 115 25. This is what you are supposed to get. So this is how you are going to do K3 up to what? K4. Then after everything, you do your summation using this formula, this formula. So at this point, I'm going to call it a day. Then we'll continue from where we stop. That will be the third video. Thank you and God bless you. Please like, comment, and share. I wish you a wonderful day. Bye. Love you guys. Love you guys. Bye. Okay, sorry about that. So as I was saying, I said do the arithmetic. This is our x plus y squared, 0.1, open bracket 0.05. Look at it here. This is our x. Then our y here is 1.05. But y is square it. Then at the end of the day, the arithmetic will give you our K2 is equals 0.11525. Then the same thing, you are going to apply the same approach to consider your K3, K4. So we are going to draw the curtain. I will stop here. Then we continue from where we stop. That will be our third video. So please, I want you to like, comment, and share. I love you guys. Bye. See you. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Thank you all. Yeah.